Hey guys, welcome back to the DAHKTUBE, and before we get started, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, this is part 2 of reducible to a quadratic. So let's say we have z minus 9 root z plus 14 is equal to 0. So anytime you're reducing to a quadratic, you must try and find a suitable substitution. Now, the substitution I would use here is let u, or a, any letter or variable, be equal to root z. That means u squared would be u squaring both sides, and you'd get u squared to be equal to z. So now this would be u squared, so u squared minus 9, and root z is u, plus 14 is equal to 0. Now this is in a form of a quadratic. We would have u squared minus 7u minus 2u plus 14 is equal to 0. So we factor u minus 7 minus 2u minus 7 is equal to 0. So now we have u minus 2 in a bracket and u minus 7 in another bracket, and that is equal to 0. That means u is equal to 2 and u is equal to 7. But remember, our question or equation started off with z. So that means u was equal to root z, so that means root z is now equal to 2. You want to find z by itself, so that means we're squaring both sides. So z is equal to 4 here. And same thing on the right-hand side. So we're going to be squaring both sides. So z, or z, is equal to 49. So let's try this example. We have x to the 2/3 minus 2x to the 1/3 minus 15. So we need to find a suitable substitution. So note that 2/3 is the same thing as saying 2 times a third. So that means our suitable substitution would be u is equal to x to the 1/3. So that means u squared would be x to the 1/3 squared, and we're multiplying the powers. So we get u squared to be equal to x to the 2/3. So now we would have u squared minus 2u minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we can find the two numbers. So we'd have u squared minus 5u plus 3u minus 15 is equal to 0. So factor, so we have u minus 5 plus 3, u minus 5 equal to 0. So now we have u plus 3, u minus 5 equals 0. So that means u is equal to minus 3 and u is equal to 5. And again, remember our substitution was that u was equal to x to the 1/3. And we want to find x by itself, so that means we're cubing both sides. So x is equal to negative 27. Likewise, we're cubing this side. That means x is equal to 125. So that's it for reducible to a quadratic. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and I'll see you guys next time on the DAHKTUBE.